Here's a reaction coming in from a former Chief Minister of J&K when it comes to terrorism that is in the Kashmir Valley. Militancy has neither ended nor will it end. He says militancy will never end here until the situation of Pakistan improves. Is Farooq Abdullah, a veteran leader, a former Chief Minister, father of incumbent Chief Minister, batting for talks in Pakistan, and why? Why does it matter if Pakistan's situation improves or not? Let's listen in to Dr. Farooq Abdullah.
मिलिटेंसी ना ख़त्म हुई है ना ख़त्म होगी। जो ये समझते हैं कि मिलिटेंसी ख़त्म होगी, मैं उनको दावा देता हूँ इस वक्त कभी मिलिटेंसी यहाँ ख़त्म नहीं होगी जब तक हमारे पड़ोसी और उनके हालात बेहतर होंगे, नहीं होगी।
Fareed continues to be with us. Fareed, you and I know this is not the first time that Farooq Abdullah has made such a statement. But this time, again, he's reiterating what he believes is what I think is about talks with Pakistan, situation for Pakistan. Now, that shouldn't be India's problem about the situation that's unfolding in Pakistan.
Well, Pooja, we know Farooq Abdullah is a maverick politician. This is how he has done his politics. He's operated. I mean, he'll say this today, and tomorrow he'll advocate bombing Pakistan and also really destroying the terror camp. So this is how he has been all these years as he's played his politics. But yes, what in a way he's saying is that either India should have an all-out war with Pakistan to settle this for once and for all, or go to the table and sort out issues. So this is, it seems, what he's trying to suggest. But this is not new. National Conference, PDP have always done soft peddling to satisfy their political constituency, because somewhere they feel that this is the narrative that will help them as far as political gains are concerned. So this is not new. But yes, Farooq Abdullah, again reiterating what he has been saying, but as I said, he is a kind of politician who says something in the morning, he can say something different in the evening. And while he has advocated talks...
Perhaps that's what a veteran politician from the Kashmir Valley really is. He understands what to say and where, but we are waiting for BJP reactions and other political parties as well to respond to that. Appreciate you joining us, Fareed, for the latest on what Dr. Farooq Abdullah has said.